If you own commercial real estate, one of your biggest expenses will always be replacing your roof. And if you're anything like me, you do not like unforeseen expenses, okay? So being a property owner myself, what I do to maintain the integrity of the roofs on my buildings is doing a proper preventative maintenance program. And we have partnered up with our preferred roofing vendor and are offering free roof inspections. You heard it, free roof inspections. If you're a property owner and you own commercial real estate here in Southern California, we're offering that to you today. And it's as simple as just responding back to this video. We'll send out our preferred vendor. They'll do a full inspection report for you and give you their recommendations so that you can take care of your roofs. If you're interested, respond back to wherever you're watching this video, or you could call/text 562-273-9375, and we look forward to connecting with you.